Welcome to the video. This is Jai Gallo with Platform, and in today's video we are going to be discussing the member profile page inside of your Platform account. The member profile page is where Platform displays all of the vital data for your member. So we're going to get into that right now, and I'm going to give you a quick tour. If at the end of this video you have any questions about member profiles or anything else in regards to Platform, reach out to us by navigating to the support hub. You'll be able to go through all of our drop-down menus in our FAQs, our frequently asked questions, or you can chat with us live. Also, feel free to submit a ticket or click the Help Docs link. If you click the Help Docs link, it's going to take you to our knowledge base where you can go into more depth of all the features that Platform has to offer. If for some reason you don't have a Platform account, go to platformarea.com and sign up for a free trial today and see if Platform is right for your online business. So now back to the member profile video. To find each member profile, you're going to go to Members. You're going to click Members, and then you're going to click the edit green pencil icon here next to a member. And now this is Nikola Tesla. This is a member of mine in my demo account here, and this is his profile. So I'm going to give you a real quick tour. So we're going to start where you can see the member name. You can see the member profile pic. You can also click this button to go back to the full list of members. You can see the email that Nikola Tesla signed up with. And this field here, you can create a new email or change the email for Nikola Tesla's login if you want to. This is also the password here for Nikola Tesla's login, and you can click the eyeball icon here to show this. This is his current password, ABC123. You can use this input field here to create a new password. You just type in a new password and click update, and then Nikola Tesla's login credentials will be updated with a new password. There's also a tags area here where you can see all the tags that are applied to this member, and we have a full video on tags in the Help Center. There's also a list of features that Nikola Tesla has access to, and you can update these as you need by clicking these checkboxes on and off and then clicking update. Scrolling down is Nikola Tesla's subscription details, and this is going to show all of the subscriptions that Nikola Tesla is on inside of the membership. So there's the main membership, and there's also all of the features that he might have subscribed to within your membership site. If you click the View button under Actions here, it's actually going to give you a pop-up and explain in more detail the subscription that this member is on. So you can close that. Moving right along at the top here, there's another button that says Activities. We can click Activities. So the Activities section is pretty cool. It's actually going to give you detailed information about everything that Nikola Tesla does inside of your membership. So here you can see the last things that he did was 2 days ago, he's commented on a newsfeed. But let's log into Nikola Tesla's account in the actual membership, and we can update this so that we can see this in real time happen. So now I'm in Nikola Tesla's members area, and then I'm going to scroll down to the merch store, and actually Platform's merch store is connected to this. So I'm going to go ahead and add a free Platform t-shirt to this shopping cart. So if I come back now to Nikola Tesla's activity profile and I refresh, and you can see here it shows that he added that free t-shirt to cart, which is really valuable information that you're going to want to have and see, hey, who's adding what product to what cart? That shows an interest in that product, even if he doesn't check out. That's how fast these activities update. So you're going to be able to see a whole list of this as he progresses through your membership. It's also going to help you kind of figure out where people might be getting stuck within your membership as well. Then if you scroll down, there is Nikola Tesla's login sessions, and under here it's actually going to show the IP address, but I have these blurred out because these are actually my office IP addresses. So I have these blurred out in this video, but it's actually going to show you the IP address where he logged in at. And it shows you the location, it shows you the device that he's on, and what time he logged in. That's really valuable information to know as well, so that you can see how many times Nikola Tesla is actually going into his membership site. And then underneath that, there's actually his progress in courses. So right now, this membership site that I created only has one course that only has one module in it. That's why there's a short list here with an empty bar, because he didn't do anything with the program and the course feature yet. But let's go ahead in real time and do that right now. So if we go back to his membership site, and then we find the crypto course, and then we can see here that there's a module 1, and we'll click the lesson here, and we'll watch this video through. And now you can see that this lesson has been completed and he watched it. So now if we go back and we refresh, you can see that he completed that video 100%. So that's just a quick tour of the members profile and all of the data that you get for your members and their activities within your membership site. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, hit us up in the support hub with the live chat. And until then, I will talk to you on the next video.